Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to deposit money from Chime to Revolut in 2025. If you're managing multiple banking apps like I do, this could save you a ton of time and hassle. Whether you're switching accounts, building an emergency fund, or just exploring better financial tools, getting money from Chime to Revolut is easier than ever with the latest updates. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Chime and Revolut apps updated to their 2025 versions. These apps have some cool new features, like faster transfers and enhanced security, so updates are key. Start by opening your Chime app and logging into your account. Head over to the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually front and center. Next, you'll need to add Revolut as a recipient. Click on Add External Account and enter your Revolut account details. For 2025, Revolut now supports direct linking with Chime via their new partnership, so you might see an option to connect instantly. If not, just input the routing and account numbers from your Revolut app. Find them under Account Settings. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Once that's set, select the amount you want to transfer. Chime typically processes these as ACH transfers, which can take 1 to 3 business days in 2025. But look out for the instant option if you have premium features enabled. Hit Confirm and authorize the transfer with your PIN or biometrics for security. Now, switch to your Revolut app to monitor the incoming funds. You'll get a notification once it's deposited. Pro tip: always check for any fees. Chime might charge for external transfers, and Revolut could have limits for free users. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, verify your account details or contact customer support through the apps. And there you have it. By 2025, this process is smoother and more secure than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Let's make managing money fun and easy. See you in the next video.